This is how you're going to send signals to other groups. So this is the code that you'll use, or an example of it. It's these bottom two areas here. So for instance, here I'm reading the temperature and outputting it to the screen, to the front panel. This is the block diagram. And I'm also using it to specify if there's a condition, push out 24 volts or don't push out 24 volts. So here, false, true, you see that little toggle between the true value versus when it's false, it's false, or like when it's true, the other condition. If I can click on that here, there, that's the other condition. And that goes into this, which is connected, is wired internally or programmatically to the data output, the digital, or I'm sorry, this is would be the digital out. So that one. So that's the digital out where you can go 0 to 24 volts. And you can specify that relatively easily by right-clicking, going down to Express, picking Output, and then mousing over Data Assist. And here this is just showing you what I already did. It'll pop up on the screen. What do you want to do? Generate signals, digital output, line output. Then I pick which port I want. I pick 5 in this case. Finish. And then it'll ask if I want to invert it. No. This is important. When you put it in a loop, just do one sample on demand and hit OK. And it will make it so that build the VI. So when you send it data, it'll send the output. So for that digital out, it's either 0 or 24 volts. To get the output sent, I just right click here and wait, I gotta be on this little wire. I right click there and say create, click constant. There it is. So it's the 0th item in the array that you'll control, and you can just turn it on and off right there. True, false, and you can put true or false into this if control, and that if control box is just in the structures, case structure here, and you can wire it. If the temperature is above 40, then send a false signal, that means 0 volts. Or if it's above 40, that's true, and then send it, that's true, you'll send out the 24 volts. Here, I'll just give you a hint to when you're reading the temperature and you've done the same thing, but instead of output, you push input and set up your channel there for thermocouple, so on and so forth, for the specific module you'll be using. If you right click here, you can say signal manipulation palette, because it comes out as a data kind of a channel, and right down here it says from DDT. You can push from DDT, you click in there, and then you can pick just single scalar, because all you're going to do is on all of these you're just going to do in here. If I open that up real quick for you, this one sample on demand, use that, and then you can wire. This one is the equivalent to that one. Sorry to skip around on you, but yeah, you get the idea hopefully. Good luck.